Ever heard of cica? It's the skincare world's best-kept secret for soothing, healing, and protecting your skin. Also known as Centella Asiatica or Gotu Kola and tiger grass, this powerhouse ingredient is a must-have in your skincare routine. Let's see why cica is a game-changer for your skin. Cica is a soothing, antioxidant-rich, and hydrating extract derived from the Centella Asiatica plant. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now it's taking the skincare world by storm. Your skin will love cica due to its amazing benefits for sensitive, red, or irritated skin. It calms inflammation, making it perfect for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Thanks to its active compound, madecassic acid, cica also helps heal wounds, scars, and stretch marks while preventing future damage. When it comes to moisture, this incredible skincare ingredient increases skin surface hydration and reduces water loss, leaving your skin smooth, plump, and glowing. By encouraging collagen production, cica helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet for firmer, more youthful skin. In fact, cica strengthens your skin barrier on all levels, shielding it from UV damage and environmental stressors. At Vibrant, we've harnessed the power of cica in our medical-grade, microbiome-friendly skincare. Vibrant products are the result of emerging research on the importance of gut-brain-skin balance for healthy, radiant skin. Vibrant Tone is a silicone-free formula that combines cica, probiotics, vitamin C, and niacinamide to reduce redness, tighten pores, and restore your skin's natural radiance. Vibrant Defense is a serum for blemish-prone skin that features cica, retinal, bakuchiol, and probiotics to reduce oiliness, fight acne, and protect against stressors. Desert Vibe is a moisture-boosting serum with cica, Beta-Glucan, and prickly pear to hydrate, repair, and revitalize your complexion. It's a perfect match for dehydrated and aging skin. So, if you're looking for calm, hydrated, and glowing skin, it's time to try Vibrant's cica-infused products. Whether it's Tone, Defense, or Desert Vibe, we've got the perfect solution for your skincare needs. Click the link below to explore our skincare line and start your journey to healthier, happier skin today.